Do you know our brain can tell the difference between social media and drugs? Hello, my name is Lena Nasise. Today I'll be communicating with you my persuasive speech. I'll be have three topics. Topics is gonna be introduction about social media addiction effects, and preventing social media addiction. Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms as is important source of socialization, relationship building of many young people. Facebook has 2.85 billion users around the world. Imagine with other social medias, how many people would use social media around the world? A lot of people. Social media addiction both physically and psychologically. Social media is addictive both physically and psychologically, according to a new study by Harvard University self-disclosure on social networking sites light up the same part of brain as also ignites when taking an addictive substance. Imagine, when you take cocaine or other addictive substances, you will get the same kind of feeling when you use social media. We might think it's not that harmful social media is, but it's really harmful mentally and psychologically. Researchers has shown that there is undeniable link between social media use, negative mental health, and low self-esteem. Another aspect of social media anxiety triggered by online media use is the fear of missing out. In short term, FOMO, the extreme fear of not being included or missing a social media event. Imagine your friends go out together, they have party, they have fun, and they post photo, video online. Imagine how you feel. You feel like you're excluded from that social gathering. That's gonna lead to bad feeling and depression. To determine if someone is or you are at risk of developing addiction to social media, ask this 6 questions. Do you spend a lot of time thinking about social media or planning to use social media? Do you feel urged to use social media more and more? Do you use social media to forget about personal problems? Do you often try to reduce use of social media without success? Do you become restless or troubled if unable to use social media? Do you use social media so much that is had a negative impact on your job or study? If you answer at least 3 of the questions with yes, that means you are like near to addiction of social media. So you have to provide different kind of solution to cut or to limit your usage of social media. There are different way of cutting a time or usage of social media. Some of our set a time limit for social media use. That means you have to say, I'm gonna use 1 hour per day. That's it. You have to limit your time of using of social media. The second one is gonna be avoiding using of social media when you are feeling down. Especially social media are more depressing when we are feeling down. So when we are feeling down, we have to create another way of entertaining ourselves rather than social media. Be aware of triggers that makes you want to use social media. What triggers you to use social media? If notification sound from your phone makes you use more and more social media, turn off that notification so it cannot trigger you to use the social media. Find other activities to do instead of social media. Just go out and have fun with your friends, create fun activities with your family members and your friends to, have a time without screen, but also having fun time. You can exercise, jog, walk outside, but you don't have to use the social media. You can cook, you can create so many different activities rather than using the social media. By using those kind of mix, we can limit our usage of social media, and that's very important for our mental and physical well-being. Even though social media is useful to develop social interaction, it can be addictive very easily. So limiting our social media usage is crucial. Thank you so much for having